Welcome, seekers of knowledge and devotees of the majestic elephant. Today we grapple with an intriguing query. Can elephants jump? Elephants, magnificent creatures of the wild, are known for their distinct characteristics. Their impressive size, their elongated tusks, their expressive eyes, and their unforgettable memory. They are the gentle giants of the animal kingdom. Their presence commands respect, and their intelligence is unquestionable. But here's the twist. Are these large land mammals capable of lifting their hefty bodies off the ground in a jump? Sure, why not?
Welcome, penguin enthusiasts and lovers from all walks of life. A curious query has been swimming around, much like our feathered friends in the Antarctic waters. The question of the day is, do penguins have knees? Now picture a penguin in your mind. That waddling walk, the charming slide on its belly, those adorable flippers. So agile in water, yet seemingly awkward on land. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for their icy, aquatic environments, but do they have the same joints as us? Hold on to your seats because the answer might surprise you. Yes, penguins do have knees.
Welcome, aficionados of the black and white, the fluffy and the grizzly. Today we delve into a question that's been gnawing at our curiosity. Are pandas bears? First, let's talk pandas. Originating from China, these creatures are known for their distinctive black and white coat. They're quite the bamboo connoisseurs, with these fibrous plants making up 99% of their diet. Surprisingly, despite their hefty size, pandas can climb trees and swim. But here's the kicker. Are pandas actually bears? The answer might surprise you. Yes, they are.
Welcome to today's intriguing question about sleep and snails. Ever pondered if a snail could sleep for 3 years? Snails, fascinating little creatures, aren't they? Slow-moving, carrying their homes on their backs, leaving a trail of slime wherever they go. Now imagine a snail in sleep mode. How long do you think they could snooze for? Moments, hours, days, or perhaps even years? Pause for a beat, let that sink in. Now here is the surprising truth. Yes, they actually can.
The twinkling dance of fireflies on a warm summer night. Welcome to today's question. Are fireflies flies? The name would make you think so, wouldn't it? Now let's delve into the world of these glowing creatures. Fireflies, also known as lightning bugs, are nocturnal. They're famous for their lights that shine in the dark. This light show is not just for our amusement, but much more. But hold on, we're losing sight of our question. Are fireflies in fact flies? Surprisingly, no, they aren't.
Are you a believer of the paranormal? Today's question is, are ghosts real? Ghosts are perceived as lingering souls of the deceased. Stories worldwide talk of eerie apparitions, strange noises, and inexplicable occurrences. Some claim to have felt cold spots or caught spectral figures on film. Science attributes these experiences to natural phenomena or psychological factors. But the belief in ghosts often comes down to personal experience. So, are ghosts real? Yes. Don't turn around. The answer may be right behind you.
Hello crustacean lovers and starfish fans. Today we grapple with an intriguing question. Can a starfish grow back its lost limbs? Now, think about starfish. These aquatic marvels living their lives in the vast oceans, star-shaped and often vibrantly colored. They are everywhere in all seas and even in your local fish tanks. But do they hold the power of regeneration? Can they regrow their limbs if they were lost? Yes, they can.
Crocodile fans, reptile enthusiasts, welcome. Here's a quirky question to ponder. Can a crocodile stick its tongue out? Picture a crocodile in your mind. An apex predator, perfectly evolved over millions of years, a creature of strength and stealth. Imagine its powerful jaws, its armored skin, its unblinking eyes. But what about its tongue? Can they stick it out of their mouths? They have tongues, don't they? No, they can't.
Hello, enthusiasts of giraffe science and the intriguing world of bones. Today we are exploring a question that's as unique as it is fascinating. Do giraffes, with their incredibly long necks, have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans? Now, consider this. A giraffe's neck, a marvel of nature, can be as long as 6 feet and weigh as much as 600 pounds. It's a towering structure, an architectural wonder that allows these gentle giants to reach the tallest of trees. But with their extraordinary length, do they have the same amount of neck vertebrae as humans? Fun fact. Yes, they do.
Greetings, kangaroo enthusiasts. Today's intriguing question is this. Can a kangaroo hop backwards? Kangaroos are fascinating creatures, aren't they? Native to Australia, they have powerful hind legs and strong tails designed for leaping and bounding. Indeed, their unique physiology allows them to cover great distances in a single hop. Now think about it. Given their muscular hind legs and the position of their tails, could a kangaroo actually hop backwards? Take a moment, picture it in your mind. If they can hop forwards, why not backwards? Ready for the answer? Well, it turns out no, they can't.
Greetings, lovers of honey and keepers of bees. Today we're delving into a peculiar question. Can a honeybee fly in the rain? Now we all know honeybees, those industrious insects buzzing about, pollen dusting their legs as they visit flower after flower. They're the architects of intricate hives, the makers of delicious honey. But how do they fare when the skies open up? You might imagine their tiny wings and the size of the honeybee compared to drops of rain. But here's the surprising truth. Yes, they actually can.
Hello there, bird enthusiasts and peacock lovers. We're here with a question. Can a peacock fly? Peacocks, renowned for their vibrant plumage and majestic strut, often have us in awe. Their unique call and large size further add to their charm. But can these large, beautifully plumaged birds fly? Their long, pretty tail feathers might make you think otherwise, but you'd be surprised. Yes, they can.
Greetings, health nuts and general knowledge seekers. Today we're tackling a question as old as time itself. Can you catch a cold from being cold? Now, let's examine the two types of cold. First, there's the sickness we all know, characterized by a runny nose, sore throat, and general misery. Then there's the sensation of cold, that chill you feel when the temperature dips or when you forget your jacket at home. So, can one lead to the other? Can shivering in the snow actually cause you to start sneezing? It's a compelling thought, isn't it? But here's the truth. Kind of, but not really.
Welcome back, you curious minds, to today's peculiar yet fascinating query. Ever found yourself pondering in the dead of night? Can you hiccup while you are asleep? It's a question that might seem trivial, but it's one that tickles the intellect, doesn't it? Think about it. The body at rest, yet possibly interrupted by the involuntary contraction of the diaphragm. Could it be? Or is our slumber a hiccup-free haven? Now brace yourselves for the revelation. Yes, you can.
Are bricks domesticated rocks? Let that question sink in. It's a curious thought, isn't it? Bricks, those uniformly shaped, neatly stacked building blocks of our civilization, against the wild, untamed rocks that scatter our landscapes. The raw, rugged stone, wrested from the earth, tamed by the hands of mankind. And so the question comes full circle. Are bricks domesticated rocks? The answer is simple yet profound. Yes, they should be.